I used to think I had control over my mornings. I set 3 alarms, one at 6 o'clock, one at 6:05, one at 6:10, each one louder and more aggressive than the last. But every morning, I hit snooze, like a sleepy ninja tap and roll. Then one day, I woke up. The sun was high. The birds were silent. I looked at my clock. It was off. Dead. It gave up on me. Like, you know what? If you want to ruin your life, go ahead. I was 2 hours late. My boss called. I tried to blame the alarm. He said, "So your alarm quit before you did." And that's how I got fired. By my own alarm clock.